Typing is so last year. With Copilot, you can now do this. Hey Copilot.
Hey Matthew, what's on your mind today?
Tell me the best dad joke ever.
All right, here's one. Why did the ice cube sit alone at the party? It just wanted to chill out.
And that is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that you can do with it, and I'm going to show you how. Titles! Alright, today we are diving into two of the most powerful features inside Microsoft Copilot yet, Copilot Voice and Copilot Vision. And these features will bring you extra assistance thanks to Copilot while you work, relax or play, and you will never have to leave your flow. Now, the first thing to note here is that you will need to activate these settings in the Copilot app. So launch the app however you normally would do this, either in the taskbar or use this funky little Copilot key that you've got on your Windows 11 PC. Once here, in the bottom left of your screen, click on your profile and then click Settings. Scroll all the way down to the voice section and make sure that you toggle on Copilot listening for Hey Copilot. While you're here, check out Copilot Vision underneath and click on the highlights toggle if it isn't already, so you can get some guided help with what's on your screen from Copilot 2. And we'll get into that in a little while. Once this is activated, Hey Copilot is now available anytime that you say, Hey Copilot. And this can be used to assist you in whatever you do or are doing on your PC. For example, while working on a PowerPoint presentation, you can ask Copilot questions about the content that you're creating. Hey Copilot.
Hey Matthew.
Can you give me the years that Henry VIII reigned in England?
Henry VIII reigned from 1509 to 1547.
So you've got all the information at your disposal. And this is a natural conversation. Can you list off the wives that he had, please?
Sure. Henry VIII had 6 wives. Catherine of Aragon, Anne Boleyn, Jane Seymour, Anne of Cleves, Catherine Howard, and Catherine Parr.
Which one of them came first? So you can continue to ask questions while getting answers and even interrupt Copilot to get your answers quicker.
Catherine of Aragon was first.
Okay.
She married Henry.
Thank you, bye.
You're welcome, Matthew. Bye for now.
And when you're done, you just say goodbye and Copilot closes itself down. I recently used this while cooking, trying to replicate something I'd seen on TV and making a mess of it. And because I was covered in food, I didn't want to have to type for the answers. So I could use Copilot to get the answers that I want. Things like what temperature should I bake at or for how long. So I just say, Hey Copilot.
Hey Matthew.
How long should I put this chicken in for?
For a whole chicken, you'll want to roast it at about 190 degrees Celsius. Depending on the size, a 2-kilogram chicken usually takes around 1.5 to 2 hours. Make sure the internal temperature hits 75 degrees Celsius. How big's your bird?
It's a 4-pound bird. 4 pound.
A 4-pound chicken. Roast it at about 190 degrees Celsius for roughly 1 hour and 20 minutes. Make sure the internal temperature hits 75 degrees Celsius. Sound good?
Yeah, that's cool. Thank you. Bye. So, no more guesswork and burnt dinners for me. This could be used for inspiration too. Maybe you are stuck on an essay you need to complete, or, as our friend Gabriel discovered, writer's block is a real thing. So check out how he used Copilot to get the inspiration he needed.
Hey Copilot.
Hey, Gabriel. What's on your mind today?
I just got back from an incredible backpacking trip through the OZ Triangle with my friends. I really want to write a blog post about it, but I am facing some major writer's block.
Let's break it down. What was the most unforgettable part of your trip? Start with that raw feeling, and the words will follow.
Well, it was all super peaceful and absolutely exhilarating. Like the trees, the water, just how it smelled. It was all just so awesome. Can you get the ball rolling for me by starting an intro paragraph that I can work from?
Absolutely. Let's paint that picture. Ever stepped into a place where the world just seems to pause? That was the vibe at the OZ Triangle. Picture this: towering trees, the gentle sound of water, and a scent so fresh, it makes you forget the rest of the world exists. What do you think?
That's awesome.
Sweet, glad you liked it. When you're ready, you can dive into more details or share a standout memory. You've got this.
So with Copilot there to assist you in whatever you need, you no longer have to waste time searching the internet, leaving the apps that you're in to find that creative spark or stupid cooking times. You can just stay in your flow and get what you need to get done fast. Now let's talk about vision. This is where these features shine. After you say, "Hey Copilot," if you click the glasses icon that appears, you will activate Copilot Vision. Here, Copilot will be able to check anything on your screen and assist you in many different ways. So I can just say, "Hey Copilot,"
Yo, Matthew, what's new?
click the glasses, and then ask, "Show me which tab in this app will give me the feature so I can insert a video into my presentation."
I've highlighted the Insert tab at the top for you. Click there to add a video to your presentation.
And there you have it. Not only does it know that I'm in PowerPoint, but it gets me what I needed without me getting lost in features or settings. This isn't just for Microsoft apps either. This can work in any app that is on your screen. So you could find where your playlists live in Spotify or how to activate parental settings in Netflix, for example. And if you're a gamer, you can even get help in your games too, just like Jordan does now. Check this out.
Hey, Copilot.
Hey again, Jordan. What's on your mind today?
Hey, I'm trying World of Warcraft for the first time, and I'm not sure what class to pick. Do you have any recommendations?
Well, Jordan, picking your class in World of Warcraft depends on how you like to play. If you enjoy being in the thick of battle, a warrior might be for you. Prefer a more mystical approach? Consider a mage or priest. If you like stealth and strategy, a rogue could be your pick. What style suits you best?
A druid seems interesting, but it looks like I can't select it for some reason. Do you know why?
I can see the druid class isn't available for your current character choice. Druids are often tied to specific races, like Night Elves for the Alliance and Tauren for the Horde. Try selecting a different race, like a Night Elf, and see if that unlocks the Druid option for you.
Can you show me how to do that?
I've highlighted the Night Elf for you. Selecting this race will allow you to choose the Druid class. Give it a try.
Perfect. Thanks.
One final thing to mention is, let's say I'm doing a little bit of online shopping and I need a little help finding exactly what I need on a page. Check this. "Hey Copilot,"
What's up, Matthew?
and now I click Vision here. "I'm looking to buy an Xbox controller from this webpage for my nephew, but I'm colorblind and he has specifically asked for the purple, blue and pink one. Can you please highlight this for me on the screen?"
I've highlighted the controller your nephew asked for. You can spot it right there on the page.
Pretty cool, right? And this is just one way that Vision can help browsing the web, but it can also compare prices for you and locate categories within web pages, and all you have to do is ask it to show you. And again, you get to where you need to be or find what you want faster. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Copilot tips. And why not drop a comment if you've tried Voice or Vision in the comments below. We would love to hear how you're using them. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you're cooking up a storm or learning the ropes in the virtual battlefield or even navigating the complex world of online shopping, just say, "Hey Copilot," and let your PC work for you. That's it for today. I've been Matt. You've been watching Expert Zone UK and I will catch you all. Wait a minute. Wait. Hey Copilot, say my sign off.
On the flip side,
Peace!